Okay, so the first tip is to start with a hook. Okay guys, today I'm gonna give you 10 tips for creating more engaging marketing videos. Now this could be social content, this could be branded content, this could be short form content, it could be long form content. It could be whatever form of content that you're gonna use to market your service, product, or brand. You ready? Are you? Capturing the attention of your audience and conveying your brand message effectively is the goal when using video marketing. But how do we reach that goal more effectively? With the rise of social media and other online platforms, it's a pretty saturated market. There's a lot of video out there. How do you stand out? Let's talk about 10 essential tips that will help you create marketing videos that drive your message home. Okay, so you saw our hook a little earlier and is a little uncomfortable, but it is shocking, entertaining. Essentially, you want something intriguing, interesting, or thought-provoking at the top of your video that will hook your viewer and get them to stick around and watch the rest of your stuff. Number 2 is know your audience. Now we've discussed before, you want to market as if you're talking to one person, but how well do you know that person? You want to know their demographics, their preferences, but most importantly, you want to know their pain points and you want to know what they find appealing. This way you know what to avoid and you know what to focus down on. Keep it concise, yes. Let's keep it short. Attention spans are short. You know that, I know that. You may not have even made it to this point in the video because of that. Oh well. Aim for brevity in your videos. Get to the point quickly, deliver your message efficiently, and know this, the most successful marketing videos are under 2 minutes long. That's a good statistic. Tell a story. Effective marketing videos often revolve around a story. Whether it's the journey of a person or the journey of a product or a customer success or just any narrative that resonates with your brand, storytelling engages the viewer emotionally. A lot of decisions are driven based upon emotion. Just saying. Use high quality video and audio. Now, if you're doing social content, I've said before, I think you should be shooting on a smartphone. Is that the highest quality video? No. But what is important, even if you are shooting with a smartphone, is high quality audio. Get yourself a lav mic, get yourself a shotgun mic, get yourself a Bluetooth mic, a stick mic, whatever you're gonna do, make sure your audio is clean. That's important. Poor quality can detract from your message, and it may discourage viewers from engaging with your content. Okay, number 6 is incorporate branding. No more choking. No more, Mike. Get out of here. You get out of here. Incorporate branding. See, this is something I'm not even doing. So we're learning together. Even at this big age, we learn. Incorporate your brand identity in the video. This could be your logo, brand colors, or a consistent style that your audience can associate with your brand. Branding adds professionalism and reinforces your message. Add value. See, that's what we're trying to do right here. Your marketing video should add value to your viewers. Whether it's educating, entertaining, or solving a problem, content that provides value will keep your audience coming back. Call to action. Here's another thing I'm not doing. I mean, is this video for me? Every marketing video should have a clever call to action. Whether it's encouraging viewers to visit your website, make a purchase, or share the video. Guide your audience on what to do next. This is, yes, we love this. Take them by the hand. Say, come here, sweet child. Let me lead you to the grassy plains of peace and prosperity. Optimize for mobile. That's what you're looking at right now. Many viewers, if not most viewers, consume video on their mobile device. Ensure your videos are optimized for mobile playback. I have a reel about how to export your videos to make them look great on Instagram. Maybe I'll link it? I don't know. Just go find it. Use subtitles and captions to make your content accessible to a wider audience. A lot of people watching video on their phone watch it without audio. How are you gonna, if there's no captions, you're gonna keep scrolling. Plus, for some reason, captions just hit. You need them. Don't be lazy. Promote and analyze. Promote your videos on various platforms, including social media, your website, and email marketing. Use analytics to track engagement, view times, and audience demographic. This is valuable information you can use to go back and then know your audience even better than before. Then adjust your strategy accordingly. Okay, so in conclusion, hopefully you can use these tips to create engaging marketing videos that significantly impact your brand success. By knowing your audience, delivering valuable content, and employing these tips, I guarantee you will be creating videos that resonate with your viewers and ultimately boost your brand's online presence. Remember that the key to a successful marketing video lies in the ability to connect with your audience and leave a lasting impression. And speaking of marketing videos, if you need marketing video production and you don't know where to go, you can always visit OneTrackMind.com. That is ON3TRACKMIND.com. And I'll be there to answer all your questions. I'm Rob McGovern from One Track Mind. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.